You know what? Yeah, we can take those off. That's much, much better. We're 6 feet apart or more, trust me. All right, look, folks, for today, we like to have fun, but I want to talk about the unfortunate reality that this pandemic is affecting a lot of contractors. Unfortunately, many workers are living paycheck to paycheck. And, you know, here's a few things I just wanted to share with you guys that might help you during a crisis, especially if you're out of work. You know, get an understanding of what your financial situation is, both household as well as your small business or your carpentry business. Do you have a financial cushion to support your household? And can you do it if you shut down for 2 weeks, a month, or 2 months? You're going to need to pay close attention to your cash flow, especially over these next couple of months. If your books aren't up to date, then get caught up so that you can have an accurate picture and information moving forward to make good decisions. Stay on top of your invoices. Getting invoices out ASAP now so you get that cash flow coming in. Follow up as soon as you can on any overdue invoices, because the longer those accounts receivables sit, the less likely you might see it during a crisis. If you're working for a GC who has shut you down, set up an agreement with them. Maybe you can invoice them partially for the work that you've done to date. I don't know. I hope it works. Remember, if you're non-essential, please stay home. And above all, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, stay well.